Got a no AC coil on a 2-year-old Amana unit. I'm going to hook some gauges up. Condenser fan is running. The compressor is not. Alright, got the gauges on there. I hear the compressor kind of start. We've got the locked rotor error code on the core sense. I'm going to check this capacitor. Capacitors at 35.5. We're reading 35.5. Start capacitor's reading 0. Just pulled this thing off. Compressor started. I got 4.7 amps. Check everything out while it's running. Here's the start capacitor I just pulled off. And this is the new one. Much better.